Hello everyone, welcome to the official YouTube channel for Namilyango College. I understand many of you have been having issues with getting access to your accounts, the Zeraki account. Well, in this video, we're going to solve your problems and we're going to get access to our different accounts. Now, to make sure that we get this right, there are certain requirements that you'll need. Requirement number one is you'll need an internet connection that will allow you to access the system because it is an online system. Then the second requirement is you must have the Play Store application. This is an application that we find mainly on Android phones that allow us to download the different applications that we install on our phones. Now, the application, the Zeraki System, is available on Play Store. We'll all need to download it onto our phones using the Play Store, which is on the Android phones. I'll talk about the iPhones later on. Right now, let's look at how we can get this application on our Android phones. Now, we need the admission number of our sons. Your son must have come back home with an admission number that he picked from Namilyango College. This admission number was given to him as he was registered in Namilyango College and as he was admitted into Namilyango College. And then lastly, we will need a phone number of the parent. If you're that parent, you will need that phone number which is active, meaning it is on the network. It's working. When someone calls you, it goes through and you can pick, it can receive messages. That's what I mean by it should be active. Now, keeping that in mind, let's go ahead and set up our system. The very first step is to install the system on our application. I'll definitely go ahead and open my Play Store application. Now, this Play Store application is the one, like I said, that helps us get all the softwares that we need on our phone. I'll go ahead and type there Zeraki, just the way it sounds. Actually, before you finish typing the whole name, you'll see a suggestion of Zeraki Analytics. So I'll go ahead and type Zeraki Analytics. And I'll either tap on the search button on my keyboard or I'll simply tap on that first app. So the Zeraki Analytics has that icon that looks like a Z made up of two colors. That's the light blue and the light green color. Go ahead and tap on install. Like I said, you need to make sure that you have a very stable internet connection such that the application can install without any problems. Well, my network may not be the best, but you'll have to bear with me. As it downloads, there's some hints up, there's some things that we need to know about the system. The system is going to allow you monitor your son's performance at your own convenience. You're very far from college, you'll have to stay where you are, simply get access to the internet and connect, and you are able to observe how your son is doing. Every progress is going to be posted on this account. Okay, so now my application has successfully installed and I've tapped on open. So when I tap on open, it takes me of course to the login page, but any kind of notification or pop-up that appears on your screen, please go ahead and tap on allow such that you can get a full experience with the Zeraki system. Now this is where many of us had challenges. Now we're going to use the admission number of our sons, and for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use an admission number for one of our learners. Of course, he gave me the rights. I first asked for permission, and he gave me the permission to go ahead to use his admission number to demonstrate to the rest of our parents. Now, while you're here on the login page, it's going to ask you to enter your phone number or username to access your account. This is not hard. Now, the username is going to involve the admission number of your son. Many of you had challenges here. You were entering the admission number only, and then you say continue. However, that's not what we are going to do here. The username is made up of two entities, actually three. One entity is called the connector, then the other is the admission number, the other one is the school or the college. So the username of your son is the admission number at Namilyango, the at symbol at Namilyango. It's only at Namilyango. I emphasize this. Don't put at Namilyango College, it's only at Namilyango. So I'm going to go ahead and use an admission number 127 slash capital O slash 2020, and then I'll put the at symbol at Namilyango. Sorry, make sure you don't make any mistakes with the spelling at Namilyango. So that is the admission number of this gentleman. I'm going to tap on continue. Now when I tap on continue, it's going to ask me for my password, but right now we don't have a password, so we are going to go ahead and reset one. Okay, we're going to reset one by tapping on forgot password. So when I tap on forgot password, it's going to send a pin that you'll have to take note of. The pin is BJU2K. BJU2K is the pin that I've just received on my phone because my phone number has been registered to that son of mine in Namilyango. So that code is what I should take note of. It's best if you have a paper and a pen somewhere, you put it somewhere because you will need it to reset the password. So I'll simply go ahead and put the code in here. It's a 5-digit code. So it is BJU2K in capital letters. BJU2K. 2K. Now after entering it, it takes me to a new screen asking me for my password, the password that I'll need to use to access the account. So I'll go ahead and tap on the new password. I'll type it. Make sure the password is more than 6 characters, at least 6 characters. So I'll put my password. So when the passwords match, the checkbox is checked, and I'll tap on continue. So when I tap on continue, it's going to direct me to my son's portal, where I'll be able to observe his account and his academic performance while here at college. So there's a lot here. If I need to see his reports, I can view them termly. I can change the term. I can see the one for term 3, and then it shows me a report for term 3. So if I want to view the full report, I'll simply tap on view full report, which is at the extreme end at the very bottom. Then I'll scroll, ignore all the checkboxes up there, simply scroll up to view your son's report. Now we have to take note of 2 important things. The very first thing we have to take note of is that in case you owe Namilyango College any money in terms of school fees or any sort of debt, you will have to clear it before you get access to your son's portal. What am I trying to say here? I'm trying to say that you will not get access, or you will not be able to log into your son's portal if you owe college any kind of money that you're supposed to pay. It may be school fees balance, it may be medical fee. You will not be able to get access. Then the second thing we have to take note of is that the circular is already present. It has already been uploaded onto the system. You can easily find this circular when you have logged in. This means that those who haven't gotten access to the system will not be able to see the circular, will not be able to read what is on the circular. This end of year, we uploaded 2 circulars. One is our normal circular, end of year circular 2023. The other is the DIY skills training circular, which is also for this year. Now, how do we get to this circular is the question. You can get to the circular by making use of this menu called calendar. Just down below here, the menus are down here: home, calendar, messages, learning, just down here. So we make use of a menu called calendar. When I tap on calendar, this calendar is going to show us all the events. You'll be able to see that all the events that we are going to include into our school program are going to be posted here. You'll be able to get the notifications about the different events for a specific date. And then we also have a section up here called newsletter. When I tap on newsletter, that is exactly where our circulars are. So we have 2 circulars. There's end of year circular 2023. And then there is also the DIY Skills Training Circular 2023. You can view them. For example, I can tap on view. When you tap on view, you have two options. You can either view it online if you have good internet, it will load, or you can decide to download it. So when I tap on download, it goes ahead and downloads the circular on your phone such that you can be able to view it at your own convenience. And when it's done downloading, you can open it. So that is how we go about with our system. Well, this video is going to be the beginning of many other tutorials that we shall be having. What you just have to do is to subscribe to our channel such that in case video is uploaded, you are notified that we have uploaded a new video. Okay, we have uploaded a new video and you'll be able to see more tutorials coming in terms of managing our Zeraki accounts. Now, I thank all of you for being here with us. I thank all of you for listening to me and taking your time to watch this video. You can always reach out to me. I'm the system administrator for the system. You always reach on me on the same number that has been provided to you on the mini circular.